Take this cabinet down and I'll be okay, okay?
We'll work on it.
I'm not going to hit that counter. I'm not going to hit that.
Oh, wait till Jim sees this.
Let me get the meat out so I can put it back on the grill. Jim doesn't get on Facebook or nothing.
I know, but he'll hear about it from somewhere. Zach and Nino have a ball with it.
Oh, she waved. Call the ambulance. I'm stuck.
Oh, goodness.
Damn it. It's all the career center's fault that I got so damn fat this school year.
Unplug it, then lay it across the counter and plug it back in. Now that we've had the fun.
No, where's skinny ass Alexis?
What?
Come here!
I'm coming.